back again to another vlog. And today we'll be going to Elyu, to San Juan, La Union. And we'll be using V for today. So pahinga muna si Duke and we'll be going to La Union. Hello, so first stop was El Union Coffee, and next we're staying at Charlie's. Yep, that's the place. Now we've checked in Charlie's hangar, and first impression of the place, it's nice. It's plain, it's simple though, but nice and clean, neat. As you can see, the bunks, it's a 6-bed room, beds, 6 bunks, 6 beds, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got the lights, you've got your yes, extra storage with the outlet, and also storages down below the bunks. Yes, those ones for your things, and you can lock them up. And they said they will give you a card key with 2 locks. Let's check out the toilets. So here's for the male, female. Of course, check natin yung male. Pwede rin yung female. So right now, we're at the beachfront. And nantay pa namin mga kasama namin. Beachfront of Charlie's hangar. It's a nice. I mean, the frontage is quite nice. Maganda yung ano niya, harapan niya. Because as you can see, Charlie's hangar is right behind me. And of course, sa mga surfers, so if you have your surfboard, then from the hostel you can go straight immediately out to the sea. So, dinner tayo sa saan to? Flotsam, di ba? Flotsam, di ba? So, curry backpackers curry yan, di ba? And pizza, meathead pizza, same backpackers curry din. Beef, rendang, and then curry again. So, day one's finished. Nasa Charlie's ulit kami. And tomorrow, so opinion, Flotsam.
Masaya.
Masaya? Siya lang masaya. Hindi umula. Siya lang masaya. So, okay naman. First day is okay. Then tomorrow will be... morning and day 2. Yeah, day 2 with Raul. Dagdag sa Elyu crew. Beachfront, nagpalipad lang din kami ng drone, which is maganda yung view. Maganda yung view dito, no? Sa tapat ng Charlie's compared dun sa kabila. The crew is complete. Umabol na tong isa. Itong isa, yun na yun. And then si Raul. And the other 2 guys, nasaan sila? Basta na nandun sa background. Nasa background yung ano guys. So, breakfast at gutom na kami. Barefoot. Barefoot pala dito pala. Okay, so orders complete. Ano mga in-order nyo?
Chicken ewan.
Ito, hipster chicken. Ito sa'yo, ano sa'yo? Beef tapa. Ayan yung tatlo na nagpare-parehas. The happy plate.
Para daw yan sa...
Anong masasabi nyo sa breakfast nyo?
Okay naman, tama lang.
Tama lang?
Tama lang.
O, Instagrammable lang daw siya.
Instagrammable lang, saka mura.
At saka mura. So, next stop, hindi makukompleto ang breakfast kung walang coffee. Sila na mag-surf. So how was the experience, guys?
Surap si Tama, di ba? Ang may pagbagay kami.
First time. Hindi, ito kasabay na namin dati. Ito first time daw.
Saan mo?
So now busy si Christopher. Yeah, Christopher. Say hi. So siya ngayon yung instructor nila sa ano.
Yes.
Dati si Kuya Nat na siya yung instructor namin dati. Even though beginners kayo, saan kayo pag beginner? Ulit?
Sa Tabak Beach.
Sa saan ulit? Tabok Beach. Ito ba? Anong pong beach to?
San Juan. San Juan.
Okay. San Juan, ano pala ito na ano?
Sobrang lakas ng current.
Oo, yun nga lang. Malakas ang ano dito. Current and waves ang lalaki. So, kung beginner kayo,
Sunod-sunod pa.
even though naghanap kayong thrill of surfing, we won't recommend, especially yung mga instructors din, they won't recommend trying out this spot pagka beginner kayo. Kasi ang hirap din, hindi nyo rin may enjoy. So, better you try the other spot. At least, doon medyo baby waves lang, kaya nyo. Ma-enjoy nyo pa, madali kayo mapluto. So again, yeah, Elyu Classic Surf School. We recommend this one. Oo nga pala, nakalimutan natin tanungin mo. Magkano ulit ko pagkano magsi-surf ulit?
500.
Okay, so
500 pesos.
500 pesos daw.
Or tsaka instructor na yun.
So, rental ng board and kasama na si Kuya Rizal. So,
Elyu Classic.
Elyu Classic ulit So, if you're planning to learn some surfing, hanapin na si Kuya Rizal. So, after mag-surf, of course, need to recharge. Kain muna. Nagutom ang mga tao. So, next on our list, we promise Mud Monkeys. Pero ang bestseller is yung
Smoky barbecue bacon.
Smoky barbecue. Ayan siya. So, try natin ang Mud Monkeys. Here's my burger. Ano yung in-order ko nga pala ulit? Smoky barbecue. Basta yung the bestseller. And let's open it up. Whoop! Surprise! Tadan! So, looks good. Smells good. Mukhang siksik sa laman naman, no?
Wala na kami.
In-order mo?
Burger steak.
Burger steak.
Solo.
This one's
Classic.
classic. Oh.
Parang ano.
Medyo
Plain lang.
it's classic. And yung isa, same din. Fishbowl daw muna yung isa. The aftermath, mukhang nasarapan naman ata lahat. my opinion, masarap naman siya. It's just yung bestseller has too much flavor. Pero yung kay Mia, ano yung sa'yo ulit? Yung burger steak. Masarap yung sauce, as in isang flavor lang, simple lang. Ma-enjoy mo yung flavor niya. How about the classic?
Okay lang.
Okay lang siya.
Masarap.
Yes, together with the anong mayo ulit to? Sriracha. Yes. Yung kay Roy at yung sa akin, wala, same lang. So, alam na kung ano sasabihin na rin. We're at open house. Si Raul, kanina ito yung nire-recommend niyang shop na puntahan.
Wow,
Yes. Actually, nirecommend ng friend namin kanina.
Talaga?
Hindi siya.
Salamat.
So, what's your name pala?
Tere.
Ate. Yes. So, yeah. Most of you guys going in Elyu would probably go by Elyu yun. Just Elyu Coffee. So, just above second floor. They've decided saan kayo kakain? Papa Bear. So, bestseller daw is yung
Ano po yung meal?
pork sambal
Pag meal
and
siya, may rice yun. May rice. Pag
chicken
appetizer.
satay. 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 Yung kinain ko yesterday during lunch was this one. The ano nito? Pork sambal. Pork sambal, no? Which was so far the best that I had. And it's their bestseller. So I guess that's why it's their bestseller. Good morning. Ano ngayon? Third day. And wala nang ligo-ligo, third day. Uwian na eh. And first activity of the day, of course, breakfast. Saan magbe-breakfast? Wala pang energy yung mga tao eh. Ayun. Yup, tagpuan muna tayo. So, actually more on breakfast daw siya, no? So these are the menus. Ano masarap dito na ano? Fruit shake, mango, seasonal fruits. Third and last day, check-out day na. And actually nauna na ako itong tatlong inaantay na lang. Hindi pa sila check-out eh.